Hello! To use Samsung DeX on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you'll have to go into the settings. From there, go into the connected devices, and right here we have Samsung DeX. And there are two methods to connect to the display. And the first method is the wired one, and you can simply buy yourself on, if in case you have the hub to Type-C, and this hub does have the HDMI cable, the HDMI port. Then you can plug to your phone the hub, and then to the hub you connect the HDMI cable, and on the other side of this cable you plug it into your monitor or TV. So that's the one way to do this, and right here is the option to auto start when HDMI cable is connected. And the other way to do this is the wireless method, and all you have to do is just simply connect to the same Wi-Fi network which your TV is connected to. And as you can see, it is searching for the devices, for the compatible displays around, and it might take like around 2 minutes or something, so you have just simply to be patient. And yeah, after a while there should be the display available, and you simply have to select it and connect to it, and then probably follow the on-screen instructions to do it. But yeah, that's how to use the Samsung DeX. Thank you for watching.